This is Creating a Literacy and Culturally Rich Learning Environment by Dominique A. Stroud. The need for this project runs deep. Overall, ELLs are 27% more likely to be referred to special education in elementary grades and nearly twice as likely to be referred to special education in secondary grades. It is believed that teachers are unable to determine language acquisition from a learning disability, and some teachers even possess negative biases towards diverse students. Research offers many suggestions to target language and teacher biases, but I have a solution on an approach. It's called the Generic Approach Model. The main themes include learning from best practices, project planning, project implementation, monitoring, and of course, reviewing. Using data to identify the systemic problems within an organization is the first step. Then we'll need to use research-based practices to understand what are the best practices for teachers, teach those best practices in professional development, and then provide teachers with takeaways. Our professional developments will focus on two key aspects. The first is culture sensitivity and how to use culture sensitivity to address our own biases. The next is our ways to build academic vocabulary to help our ELLs be more successful in content knowledge. When implementing this approach, there are ways to determine its effectiveness and success. First is teacher feedback. That can be done through surveys or just in passing conversation. Next is observational feedback, and that is what we see based on our teachers' interactions with our students, as well as our student interactions with our teachers. And finally, of course, student data. So let's get this started together.